We'll guide you through how to delete a passkey on Amazon. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Amazon, and so you want to go and delete and remove a passkey. Perhaps you made it before and you no longer want it, so we're going to guide you through this. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you're going to go and miss something important potentially. So what we need to do is we want to come down here, and at the bottom, you've got some different options. You can go and see those 3 lines, which you can then go and tap like so and be brought here. At the top, you can then press your account. Alternatively, you can press the user icon at the bottom over to the left and press account at the top. Now, what you need to do is go and scroll down this list into account settings, find the option login in security, and you want to go and tap there. Now, what you need to do is you're going to go and be sent a code. And what you need to do is go and enter that in, go and press submit code like so and go and wait. And then you'll be brought here. You want to come down to passkey and find the option for edit. Then you'll go and see the different passkeys. You can see I've got one here. So to go and delete it, I can press the bin icon or trash to the right and confirm I want to go and delete it. That's it. It's now been deleted. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides.